Good everyone, welcome to our lecture video. So this is intended for Math 111E. So yung magiging setup natin dito for our lecture video is that we're going to cut each video depende sa subtopics na meron tayo para hindi ganun kahaba yung bawat video na meron tayo at proceed kayo sa mga videos na gusto lang ninyong panoorin. Depende sa subtopics na gusto ninyong i-review. Okay? So without any further ado, let us continue or let us begin our discussion on equations. Now, talking about mathematics, one of the most common problems is basically solving an equation. So that is why in this chapter, we will discuss equations involving one variable, two variables, and three variables. To be more specific, we will deal first with equations in one variable with a degree of 1 or at first degree. So any equation which is equivalent to an equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is considered as a linear equation in one variable. So for us to be able to solve such equation in this form, we use the following properties. So we have addition property of equality, where we simply need to add negative b to both sides of the equation. Okay? Remember, to both sides of the equation, and then we can now simplify using the properties of real numbers. Now, from the standard form na meron tayo, which is ax plus b is equal to 0, we have now ax plus b minus b is equal to 0 minus b. And that is because we applied addition property of equality. So we added negative b on both sides. So by doing that, pwede na natin ngayon i-cancel itong variable na b natin sa left side. So now we are left with ax is equal to negative b. Now, if you are not comfortable using the addition property of equality, pwede tayong gumamit ng transposition na kung saan we are just going to transpose the variable we do not want to be included on the other side of the equation. So, say for example, i-rewrite ko lang yung standard form natin, ax plus b is equal to 0. So, say for example, I want to remove b to the left side. I need to transfer that to the right side. So, mag-change lang yung sign, but yung numerical value, pareho pa rin. Okay? So, now we have ax is equal to 0 minus b. Again, sign lang yung magbabago. Kung negative ito siya dito, magiging positive yan pagpunta dito. Okay? Now, so if we try to write that once more, magiging ax is equal to negative b. This is now exactly the same with what is written using the addition property of equality. So it's up to you kung saan kayo comfortable or komportable. Now, we do not stop our methods there. Kasi hindi yung ax yung kailangan nating makuha na ng value, kundi yung x lang mismo. So we use multiplication property of equality na kung saan we need to multiply both sides of the equation by the ratio of 1 over a. And then we need to simplify both sides. So, by doing that, makakakuha tayo ng x which is equal to negative b over a. So, to clarify things, so I need to rewrite yung nakuha natin kanina na ax is equal to negative b. So, we need to multiply both sides lang daw ng ratio ng 1 over a sa magkabilang sides. Bakit natin ginawa? Or bakit kailangan natin mag-multiply ng ratio ng 1 over a? It is because ang goal natin dito is matanggal itong a dito sa x natin. So, the only way of removing that is by multiplying the ratio of 1 over a sa magkabilang sides ng equation natin. So, ngayon, we are left with ax over a is equal to negative b over a. So this one now is familiar because that is the same with this one. So, by simplifying that one, makakancel natin yung A. So, yung natira lang dyan is yung X, okay? Which is this one. And that is now, X is equal to negative B over A. Ang ibig sabihin yan, yung solution set natin na nakuha for that equation is negative B over A. Okay, pag sinabi natin solution set, ibig sabihin yan, that is the set containing values of the variable which makes the equation true or valid. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin SS, it means solution set. Okay? And what is meant by solution set is this definition or yung sinabi ko kanina mismo. Okay? So, para mas maging klaro yung discussion natin, we proceed with another example. So, let us work with this one. So, we have 5x minus 2 quantity x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3x. So, we have a solution guide here. So, sinasabi dito sa solution guide natin that we multiply the left side and then simplify by combining like or similar terms. Now, so dito sa form natin, kailangan muna natin to i-multiply yung sa left hand side natin, which is yung negative 2 natin papunta sa parenthesis natin. Okay? So, simply multiply that one. So, we get negative 2x and negative 2 ngayon. Now, mapapansin natin na may mga similar terms or similar variables meron tayo dyan. So, pwede natin i-combine to siya. Okay? Other than that, wala na. So, we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3x. Now, we do not stop there kasi yung kukunin lang nating value is yung x values or x value natin. Okay? So, from the instruction given here, to both sides of the equation, we successively add 3x. And to what is meant by that is kailangan daw natin mag-add ng 3x. Then after adding 3x, we add 2 para makakuha tayo ng form na 6x is equal to form. 6x is equal to form. No. 6x is equal to 4. Okay? Now, allow me to show you how to do that by writing 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3x. Unahin natin i-add yung 3x muna to both sides, ha? So, we have 3x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 3x. So, by doing that, we can combine like or similar terms. Ito pwede natin i-combine. Ito siya, eliminate yan kasi negative 3x plus 3x is equal to 0. So, we have 6x minus 2 is equal to 2. Then now, ito na namang 2 yung i-add natin sa magkabilang side ng equation natin. So, 6x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. So, if we try to combine that one, makakakuha tayo ng 6x. Ito canceled, 0 na yan. Is equal to 4, which is similar or which is equal to what we have there. Now, from 6x is equal to 4, we need to multiply both sides of the equation again by 1 over 6 para masimplify or mas masimplify natin yung equation natin. So, from 6x is equal to 4, multiply down natin both sides by 1 over 6 para makancel yung constant value natin na 6 dyan sa left side natin. Okay? Now, we proceed by writing this one is equal to 4 over 6. This one is that one. Cancel yung 6 natin. So, basically, we mean to say na yung x natin ngayon is equal to 2 over 3. Bakit naging 2 over 3 yan ngayon? It is because both 4 and 6 is visible by 2. Okay? Or 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, nasimplify pa natin yung nakuha nating value dyan ngayon. Thus, this means to say na yung solution natin sa equation is 2 over 3. Or it means to say na yung solution set natin is 2 over 3. Again, if we write a solution set, it should be written or it should be be placed inside a bracket. Okay? So that's how we solve or we get the value of x in an equation with a degree of 1. Okay? So we will end our video here and we'll continue in the next video.